Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Patricia, and I am all about helping aspiring entrepreneurs like you build the mindset, motivation, and strategies you need to escape the 9-to-5 grind and create the life and business of your dreams. If you have been here before, welcome back. I am also your go-to for all things Canva. I help you simplify using the Canva platform without getting overwhelmed. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a very simple animated social media design post for the holidays using Canva. I'm going to walk you through the easy step-by-step process so you can use this on your next design project. But first, if you haven't already, make sure please to like this video, subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed already, and turn those notification bells on so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. So now let's dive in to the design. So what we're going to do, the first thing that we're going to do is create a custom design. And I like to do 1080 by 1080. So once you get into your Canva, I'm going to select 1080 by 1080 pixels. I'll start from a blank one. And the first thing that I am going to do, I do have some images that I have already uploaded that I actually created using Midjourney. So I did create some stock images for the holidays. I wanted to create something fun, something different, and unique. So we're going to use that, and I'm going to show you how we're going to do some animations with it. So let's go with this one. So this is going to be the first image. I absolutely love some of the ones that I actually created. And the first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to edit the image, and I'm going to select Magic Grab. And I'm going to select my Mr. and Mrs. Claus. So I'm going to grab them out of the image because the background, I want to remove them out of the background, from the background. So now that's just one piece. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to delete the actual background. I'm going to shrink them down a little bit. Right? And then what I want to do is I'm going to put a video background to this actual image. So now I'm going to go to, and typically what you can do, I'm going to go here and do Winter Wonderland. Let's see what comes up. So there's so many different ones that are actual videos that you can use for the background. So I wanted to kind of show you these, so at least you see what's actually available, and then how we can make it a really cute and simple animated post that we can use on our social media platform. And then of course, when you go to post it, you can add music to it if you wanted to. Right? So I'm going to go to my elements because I had already selected, I was kind of playing around with this earlier, and I have some videos that I had already selected primarily for this, and this was one of the ones. So I'm going to set this in the background. So let's position to the background, and I'm going to enlarge it. So I wanted to take up the entire background of the post, and I'm going to stretch it out so you see the snow caps in the background. Right? So you see that kind of moving. It kind of gives it a really cool feel. I absolutely love this. But at the same time, what I want to do is still leave an area here that I can put some text on there. So let's go to text. And sometimes what I'll kind of do is look at some of the combinations they already have just to kind of make the process easier. And I like this one. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to ungroup it. I like this font, right? I'm going to delete this one. Let's do Happy Holidays. I'm going to make this a little bigger. Bring this down. And I'm actually going to make this white. Right? What I'm going to do, even in here, what I would love to do, I'm going to add some effects to the font itself so it stands out a little more. So I'm going to put the lift. So you see the difference already. Let's increase that a little more to see if it pops some more. And then what I want to do, I want to add some lights to it, just to kind of add some flair. So let's go back to elements, and I have some lights here. Add that in the corner. Maybe add this one. Let's shrink this down a little bit. Right. And then this one I think is a little bit too yellow. So let's try this one in this corner. That looks good. That looks really good. So now just that simple. Less than 5 minutes, you were able to create a really cool animated social media post, and then you can add your music to it. If you wanted to, I'm going to say, let me add like another font. Font is that Burgess. And then I'm going to add one more, the name, Smith family. I'm going to do all caps. I'm going to change the font to Anton. Right? What I'm going to do, I'm going to again add an effect here, lift that so that way it stands out a little more, increase the intensity so it pops a little more. Same thing with from. I'm going to go ahead and lift that, increase the intensity. In addition, what I'm going to do, I am going to add like a little gradient blur. Let's do like a blue. Let's see. This looks like it can go really well. So it kind of gives it a nice pop. Right? And just as simple, you have your animated holiday card that you can use as a social media post for the holidays. Add music when you're posting it on either Facebook or Instagram. And it's just that simple. Let's do, I'm going to do one more. So let's do another. I have another, let's see, one of my other holiday characters. Let's do this one. Again, we're going to do the same thing. And we're going to edit, magic grab. We're going to grab them. I absolutely love my Mr. and Mrs. Claus. I think they came out so cute. And if you want, in the description below, I have a bundle for them if you want them. You can definitely get them and use them on your own stuff. I thought they came out so cute. I'm going to remove this. Right? And then now I'm going to go back to, again, these are videos that I actually found on Canva. So let me go back down, that I had already used to create some of these. This is another video that was actually on Canva. Absolutely love this. Right. So now position back. So now I have them here. So, which I love. I think their height is perfect right here too. Right? And then again, we're going to do the happy holidays. So let's go back to the font that I used before. Ungroup. I don't need that. Absolutely love this. I'm going to move it over a little because I'm going to turn this white. And then again, we're going to do the effect. We're going to lift it. Let's increase the intensity. So you see that there. And then I'm going to add the little starburst. Let's do this one. Let's make this a little bigger. And then what I want to do, we're going to add, so that way you can add like maybe family photos, right? So let's do a photo frame, Polaroid frame. Let's do the Polaroid. Let's do two. That. I'm going to rotate that this way. Right? Shrink it just a little so that way I have room for the name. And then let's add Smith family. Perhaps let's reduce this down to 1. Put that there. I'm going to do the Anton font. I actually like that. And then let's just find family photos. Let's see what we can find on here. Actually, let's go to photos. Family Christmas. Okay, this one is a cute one. So let's put this here. That's cute. And let's just say, you know, the photos, of course, is going to be of the same family, but for the purpose of this walkthrough, you know, we're going to just use 2 different families, but you get the point. And then now, here we have it. And again, you can add music to it, which makes it even nicer. And that's it. So those are the 2 that we've created, which is so cool. And even if you wanted to, let's make it, instead of 2 individuals, let's make it, we're going to add match and move to it, right? So we'll add the match and move, and let's play it all the way. So we have that. Totally cute. And then here's the other one. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That's it for the holidays animated post. I hope you guys try it out. Do me a favor, if you can let me know in the description what type of videos you would like to see. I would like to work on some projects that you guys actually would be looking for. So please leave a comment below. Let me know if you're going to try this. And of course, please like and subscribe and look out for my next video. And if you want these holiday images, please click the link in the description and it'll take you straight to the holiday bundle that I have for these actual images that you can use for your next project. Until next time.